Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you how to install a Virtualbox in Windows host machine. So just type Virtualbox. So open the first link. So this is the official web page for the Virtualbox download. So click on download. As I told you, since I'm running Windows host machine, so I will be clicking on Windows host. So if you are using any other operating system like Linux, Mac, so you just go with that host download according to your PC's configuration. So now I will be clicking over here. So click on next. I accept. Next. So by default it is going on C drive. Yes. Yes. Next. Install. So the installation process is being continued. So yes, after the Virtualbox is installed, this will open. So now you have to download the Kali Linux from its official webpage, kali.org, or you can just search for Kali. Now go to the download section. So this is the ISO file. So I won't be continuing the ISO file. I will be going with the virtual machine one. So which installation is much more easier since it doesn't take much time, and the ISO file requires a lot of manual configuration. So as you can see, this is being downloaded. So I have obviously downloaded the file. Since this is going to take some time, so I'm closing it. So I have sent it over here, I guess. Then I extracted it. Yep, and yep. So just click on this one, Kali Linux. As you can see, so Linux just opened after extracting. So now just click on start. So this is just powering up my virtual machine, which is Kali Linux. So this is going to take some time since this is the first time I'm running. So if you feel that your Linux is running a bit slow or something like that, so you can increase the RAM from the Virtualbox for the Kali Linux operating system. So by default the username is Kali and the password is Kali as well. So yes, you can see that my Linux is already ready to run. So if you want, you can maximize this. So yep, the Linux is already running. So if you are feeling that the Linux is running a bit slow on that regard, you can just increase the RAM manually from here. Just go to the settings option and then go to the system, and then processor is 3 given, and since I have 16 GB of RAM, so I will be giving a bit more RAM. So over here it's 3 GB already given. You can, if I want, I can shift to kind of like 4 GB or something like that. So I guess 4 GB would be enough for my Linux to run smoothly. Processor is already given 3. You can also either increase this as well according to your PC's configuration. Yep, now you can see the Linux is going to be a bit faster, I guess. So that's mostly it. And so it's opening, I guess. Yes, it's running. So Kali is the username. So now this is going to be a bit faster. So everything is working fine, I guess. Yep, everything is fine. So I'm shutting it down. And if you are facing any problem with the, you can check this out. And by default, this should be NAT, the network configuration. You can either choose breached as well if you want, but I prefer the NAT one. So that's it for today. So in my next video, I will be showing you how to install VirtualBox in VMware. Till then, stay safe.